Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today we'll talk about stratified sampling and clinical research, more after the intro.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an essential topic in clinical research, medical device safety, and clinical trials. From simple tools like thermometers to advanced life-saving technologies like pacemakers, medical devices play a crucial role in modern healthcare. But before these devices reach hospitals and clinics, they must go through rigorous clinical trials to ensure they are safe and effective. So, how do we ensure medical device safety in clinical trials? What regulations must be followed, and who is responsible for reporting safety issues? Let's break it down step by step. What exactly are medical devices? Medical devices range from simple instruments to highly complex machines. For example, a bandage, a thermometer, or a stethoscope are all medical devices, but so are MRI machines, defibrillators, and robotic surgical systems. Before any medical device can be approved for use, it must go through extensive testing and evaluation to confirm that it is safe and functions as intended. This is where clinical trials come into play. Now, why is medical device safety so important? When a medical device is used in a clinical setting, it must work reliably and safely. If a device fails or malfunctions, the consequences can be severe, ranging from inaccurate test results to serious harm or even death for patients. One real-world example of device safety failure occurred in 2010, when an implantable heart device had to be recalled due to a faulty wire. The defect led to unnecessary shocks, or, in some cases, complete device failure, impacting thousands of patients. This incident highlights why rigorous testing, monitoring, and regulation are critical before a device can be approved for widespread use. Let's move on to the regulations that govern medical device safety. To ensure safety and effectiveness, regulatory agencies have established strict guidelines and requirements. In the European Union, the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, sets rules for how medical devices should be tested, labeled, and reported. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, regulates medical device trials under 21 CFR Part 812, which outlines requirements for investigational device exemptions. These regulations cover several key areas, including device design, manufacturing standards, and post-market surveillance. They ensure that medical devices meet high safety and performance benchmarks before and after approval. Now, how do we ensure medical device safety during clinical trials? Safety in clinical trials is maintained through a combination of pre-trial preparation, continuous monitoring, and post-trial evaluation. Before a trial even begins, extensive pre-trial testing is conducted to identify potential risks and flaws in the device. Regulatory agencies review and approve these studies to ensure that the trial is designed to protect participants. Once the trial is underway, ongoing monitoring helps detect and address any device malfunctions or safety concerns. Clinical trial investigators and sponsors work together to ensure that adverse events are reported quickly and corrective measures are taken if necessary. Proper training is another key factor in ensuring safety. If medical personnel are not adequately trained in using the device, mistakes can lead to serious errors. Even after a device is approved and enters the market, post-market surveillance continues to track its safety and effectiveness over time. Let's talk about who is responsible for reporting safety issues. Both investigators and sponsors have specific responsibilities when it comes to reporting safety concerns during a trial. The clinical investigator, or the person running the trial at a particular site, must report serious adverse events, or SAEs, to the trial sponsor within 3 days of becoming aware of the issue. They must also report any device deficiencies that could have led to harm if circumstances had been different. The sponsor, which is usually a company or organization developing the device, has an even greater responsibility. They must report serious adverse device effects, or SAEDs, to the regulatory authorities. Events that pose an immediate risk of death or serious harm must be reported within 2 days, while all other reportable events must be submitted within 7 days. In addition, sponsors are required to maintain a safety monitoring system to track and analyze potential risks throughout the study. Finally, why does all of this matter? Medical device safety in clinical trials is non-negotiable. Without strict safety measures, patients could be exposed to significant risks, research data could become unreliable, and regulatory compliance could be compromised, leading to costly recalls and legal issues. By following proper protocols, investigators, sponsors, and regulatory agencies work together to ensure that every medical device is safe, effective, and beneficial for the patients who need it most. Medical devices are a cornerstone of modern healthcare, but their safety cannot be taken for granted. From pre-trial testing to post-market surveillance, every step in the clinical trial process is designed to protect patients and ensure reliable outcomes. If you found this video informative, make sure to follow us for more insights into clinical research and medical device safety. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.